Welcome to Grammy's Decorating Nook. Today we're heading back to the Forest of Valor to continue decorating. In my last video, we started working on this biome and finished the area around Merlin's home. I also went ahead and placed the houses I'm planning to use for this Victorian side of the forest. So today we're picking up right where we left off. I'm going to start decorating around the houses and bring this Victorian neighborhood together. I'll also be adding a couple more houses between the Victorian side and Merlin side to help connect the two areas and make everything flow a little better. Now, let's get to decorating. I'm really happy with how this area came together and how it connects back to the first section we decorated. There's still more of the Forest of Valor left to decorate, so we'll be coming back to finish up the rest of the biome soon. As always, I hope this build gave you a little inspiration for decorating your own valley. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss the next build. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, happy decorating! Bye friends!